Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. It got very dirty. I'm not sure what happened to it in the mail, but there's a lot of scuffs on there, but that's okay. So this retails for $25 a month plus tax, and you get 4 to 5 full-size, deluxe-size, sample-size products a month to your door. So here is what this month looks like. The theme for this month is full bloom, just like the little guy, and you do get a picture of everything inside, which I greatly appreciate. So we're just gonna go ahead and dive right in. I'm gonna start with this because I did pick this product. This is by Foxy Bay, no fox given. I love that. Flamingo leave-in cream conditioner. I love puns and like play on words, so this is super cute. And I love the packaging, it's so cute. Flamingos make me think of my mom because she adores flamingos. This retails for $18.95. It says hair looking dull and dry. Yes. This baby will shine things up without any greasiness. Made with biotin, a B vitamin that helps stimulate hair growth. This leave-in treatment tames frizz, need that. Detangles, needs that. Moisturizes, need that. And helps hair grow long and strong. I do have pretty decently long hair, so I don't really think I need help with like the hair growth situation, but definitely need defrizzing and detangling for sure. My hair is naturally really curly and it is a pain. But spray onto towel, dry or damp hair. My hair is neither of those things, so we can't really test it out right now, but I really want to, so maybe we will. Anyway, I want to smell it, so we're just gonna like YOLO it here and just kind of, we'll spray it on the end so I can hide it. Ooh, that smells so good. What does that smell like? Oh my gosh. Ingredients, please. I don't see anything on here that would be ingredients. I don't even know how to describe that smell. It smells like candy. There used to be like a hair oil that I had that smells just like this. Oh my god, I'm down for this. That smells so good. Okay, moving on, or I will talk about this product all day. The next thing I see in here, oh, actually let's skip and go to this. This is the bag. It's mint green, super, super cute. Love mint green, it's my favorite color. The handle is wooden, of course, just like the other one was, and it's got the same floral pattern. This one is a little more rounded. I actually have the other one, so I'll just show you it. This is like the normal month bag, so it's more square. This one's more round, so I like the bag. It's cute. I probably won't use it, but we'll be honest. Now, next thing I see in here is by Context. This is a nail lacquer set, lacquer, not liqueur, it's not alcohol, but it's, wow. It's in the shade Don't Cry and Rocket Queen. I think they're cruelty free, 90% sure. Yes, they are for sure. So you get a gold shade and the shade Rocket Queen. I keep smelling my hair, it smells so good. That's okay. I'm not like a super fan of gold, but that's okay. And this one is really pretty though. This is the shade Don't Cry. I really like that shade. It's pretty. It's like a mauvey, purpley pink shade. So I'll use that one. The gold one, I don't know. I mean, everybody needs a gold polish in the collection, right? Let's see. 30 bucks for that little duo there. So that more than paid for the box, just that nail polish alone. Next is by Tarte. This is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner Double Effect. That's a different language. Double Take Eyeliner. So, oh, it's double-sided. Okay. It is in the shade Black, which is always nice. So it's got like a pencil on one side and a liquid on the other. So here's the pencil side. Ooh, very creamy, very nice. Doesn't feel like it's gonna tug on my eyes at all. And the liquid, ooh, that's the liquid. That's real black. So we'll definitely try that out. How much do you retail for? $24, so that's pretty good. I'm not stoked about it, but like I'm down for it. Next thing is by Galactic. I don't think I've tried an eyeliner by Galactic, that's about it. This is the Jello Gloss Bomb. Yes, down. I love lip balms. Like I have an excessive amount and I'm always down for another one. So this is in the shade, don't think it has a shade. No, $18 though. And it looks like this. I want to see like how, oh yeah, that's like a gel. That's cool. Ooh, it smells like artificial grape. Like grape suckers or something. Smells good. Oh yeah, that feels super moisturizing. I'm so pumped for this. $18 though for a lip balm is kind of steep, but I mean, I'll use it. That smells so good. Okay, and the last thing in here are these. These are by Star Skin VIP. They're sheet masks. This one says the Diamond Mask Illuminating, and this one says Instantly Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face Mask. I don't like the way that sounds. They're cruelty-free vegan, which is always great. I'm more excited for the illuminating one, I think, just because cream coating face mask sounds really gross. But I will definitely try them. $30 for this little pair. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, quick recap. The face masks I'm down for. Always need some rehydration in my life because I have super annoyingly dry skin. The nail polishes I'm half excited for. I like the pink one, not so much the gold. The lip balm I'm down for sure. Like, love lip balms. The eyeliner I'm okay with. Again, I'm not like so excited for an eyeliner, but you always need eyeliner, so. And this thing I'm obviously pumped for. I forgot what it's called already. The leave-in cream conditioner. It smells so good. Like so good. Between this and the grape stuff, I'm down. Where is that? There it is. Couldn't find the lid for it, but that was all in all a pretty good box. Like I'm not mind blown. I never really get a lot of makeup, which is weird, but that's okay. But I am excited. So let me know down below what you guys got this month. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.